Hey, ain't you Coyote boy KT?
Oh, what's up? You looking for me? Hey, what's up with the Coyote gang? Oh! Hey, y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know who it is. You know what I'm saying? Boy, Coyote boy KT now. Hey, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you better. Check it out. 17. Hey, what's up with the Tool Gang? What's up with the KoyotePack? Y'all know how we do it. Oh! Hey, I'm up early with it. But y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know who it is. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy KT, man. Y'all back on that channel, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like button, post notification bell so you keep up with all the videos like the one you watching now, as well as you have the freedom of browsing my channel. And hey guys, let's get them subs hit. Let's get that subscribe button hit. You know what I'm saying? Journey to 1,000 subs, man. We're more than halfway there. So let's continue to grind. Let's continue to shine. So anyway, you see the thumbnail. So yes, this video will be about a Tstat being installed in my 2019 Mustang GT, and we're gonna install it, drive it before and after installation, that we can see how it fares against the OEM Thermostat. But anyway, hey, enough of all that talking. Let's get straight to the video. Okay, you guys, so I've been driving for a little bit here, and on my gauge, I'm hovering around about 201, 202, 203-ish area. So, the car's been fairly doing decent. It hasn't got too hot. You know what I'm saying? Because I haven't just, been on the gas pedal just as heavy as I could be. Been doing the speed limit here for about 10 minutes or so. Yeah, 202, 203 is not bad. Like I said, we're just monitoring the numbers to see what they do. And let's see. If you don't have an in gauge, you want to look at your numbers, just come down to your middle of your gauge, right here, your cluster, push down on the steering wheel, and then there you go. Your cylinder head temperature will also show right here. I just like to look at it from up here at my in gauge, since it's kind of like right there. So I'm around about 203 now. So I'm gonna drive about 5 more minutes or so to come back on the camera and then check the numbers out there. Alright you guys, so I picked it up, I want to say maybe about 10 or 15 more miles per hour. And as I did that, as you can see, the numbers of my coolant head temperature went up by what, 3 or 4 degrees. So that just goes to show you, the faster you go, the hotter your cylinder head temperature will get. And if you're racing, especially if you're doing pulls on the highway and or you on the track, this number can get up to about 230, 240 even, depending on how hard you're hammering it and if you're going back to back on these races. So just to be mindful of that. But for the most part, on the highway, we'll keep around the 60 to 90 mark, somewhere up in there. This is like you're driving on the highway. Most people, they might gas it a few times on the highway. I'm not, they're driving normal, but we just want to see what the temperature looks like when you just, driving more normal than anything. Alright, you guys, so one last time, as you see, it's up at 214 now, and that's just giving a little bit of acceleration. I wasn't going too bad. I'm trying to keep it around the general area. So, yeah. So what's 216 now? 215. All right, so now I'm about to park the car, let it sit for some hours, or probably in the morning, and then we'll go with the install video from there. What's going down, KoyotePack? You know what I'm saying? Your boy's finally at the house. This is another new day. So pretty much the Mustang GT is cooled down for the thermostat process to be changed. And pretty much just to give a rundown, this Roush coat or intake is in the way. And when you look down off in here, that's where the thermostat housing is. And pretty much what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna get off from the throttle body and then come over here, and there's a bolt that sits right here by itself. And then pretty much I'm just gonna take the hose that run to this, take it from the throttle body. I'm gonna take this off as one piece along with the connections and everything. That way I can access the thermostat housing freely and I don't have to try to squeeze my hands down there. And then once I do that, you will lose a little bit of coolant right here at the overflow box, but you're not going to want to take this top off when you do this process, because if you take this top off and then try to do this process, the air is going to push the coolant out faster than what it needs to be. So at least if you leave this top on, it won't force the coolant out even though the car hasn't been running in a couple of days. And also it won't put as many air bubbles into the system. So I'm gonna leave the top on. So pretty much I'm gonna try to do most of this process and then get on our way. Tab. You can leave the top on top of the coater intake housing as well. I'll take that off. The bolt right here. Just gonna sit that up there. Yeah, got a 7mm. Shit, that should be deep enough. Pretty loosen. Get that loosened up right there. Just pretty much wiggle it back off the throttle body. My light's shifting over here. Pretty much come out the car with everything. That's the whole box right there. Sit that to the side.
Now pretty much you're gonna see the housing right here, and see, since you move this cold air intake box out the way, you have all this access room. And what you're gonna do is, I believe these are between 8 to 10 millimeter bolts. Not sure what size they are yet, but it's this one right here and this one right here, which is kind of like under. But you want to be careful. You want to kind of loosen this one up first, but don't take it out all the way. And loosen this one up, then come back and get this bolt so that it doesn't drop into the bottom of the car. Because if that bolt drops to the bottom of the car, good luck, because you got to do some search and rescue to find that bolt. So I'm just gonna kind of loosen it up, then loosen this one up, then come back and get that bolt. That way I make sure I don't drop it, and the housing is still kind of held together. Alright, you guys, this is the thermostat right here, 160 Tstat by Mishimoto. I got this at Summit Racing, so I will be putting a part number in the description if you guys want to check out this 160 Tstat. I know a lot of people use the 170 Tstat in 5.0s, like far as in Mustangs and or the trucks and stuff like that. But the 160 Tstat can be used. I checked with my tuner at Lund Racing. They said it's a go. So pretty much, I'm just gonna install this and then go from there. But pretty much just a little information about the T-Stats. So pretty much in a stock car engine, they come with, I want to say it's like a 180 or 190. Install this T-Stat and see how it does. Alright, you guys, so I got everything nice and tight right here. So pretty much the only thing I gotta do is just go back on with everything like I took it off, and like I say, fill up with some coolant in the end. And then I'm about to take my chip out my N-Gauge, put it in my computer, drag my tune files over to the SD card, load the 160 T-Stat tunes to the N-Gauge, And then pretty much we'll be ready for some test runs. Alright, KoyotePack, so it's a new day. I'm in the Mustang after installing the 160 Tstat. As you can see, got both my gauges on. If you look at my N gauge, my cylinder head temp is 189. But if you look at the overall engine coolant temperature, it's 180. And then as far as the degrees, it's 90 degrees outside. So it's a little bit hotter today than when I initially did the video when I was showing you guys what the OEM thermostat did, and that was it started off around like I think like 190, 191 or something like that when I did the initial getting on the highway. But as I kept driving, and by the time I got home, it was up around about 210 or something like that. So it was in the 200s, and it was cooler outside. I want to say it was around about 75 degrees when I did that video. It's 90 degrees now, and then look at the temperatures. 181 on the overall engine coolant temp, which is super low in 90-degree weather. Not super low, but it's low. And I'm actually doing like 70 miles an hour. And if I would just kind of speed up a little bit, it's climbing, but it climbs slowly. It went up to 181. So it's not bad for 160 Tstat. But I'm gonna come back and do another video after I drive about 10-15 minutes longer and then see what the temperature is. Alright, you guys, so I'm back on the camera. And as you can see, I'm doing almost about 80 miles an hour. We'll come back to the temperature. Once again, the cylinder head temperature is at 188. But if you come and look at the overall engine coolant temperature, it's at 180, just went up to 181. So once again, I'm going 10 miles per hour more. And then the engine coolant temperature is pretty much staying relatively in the same spot, which is good. So pretty much would I recommend doing a 160 Tstat over 170? I would say yeah, just on the fact that I did the 160. But you know, 170 still will be good, so you know, either or. But I decided to go 160 because it builds up heat and pressure pretty fast on cold starts, so it's not an issue there. It's just that my fans won't be running, you know what I'm saying, on high temperatures trying to cool the motor down. The thermostat will just open up on a lower temperature. That way the fans don't have to do all the work, you know what I'm saying? So that's a good thing. So pretty much, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that. And I do mean all of that, you know what I'm saying? And let's let this video get about 30-40 likes, you know what I'm saying? I know this is a knowledge video, and I know y'all will appreciate it. But hey, we still on the journey to 1K subs, you know what I'm saying? We're a little north of 600, so make sure if you check this video out, make sure that you hit the like button, make sure you hit the post notification bell. But all that means nothing if you don't hit that subscribe button. So make sure you scratch at that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? KoyotePack, we in the building, you know what I'm saying? We're going up all 2020, man. Hey, trying to get to the next level. Oh! Hey, what a day. It's every day, all day. It's more than the game. We are packed. So till then, y'all know what's fun.